Standard parang 300. Hi guys, good morning. So this is our day 4 dito sa Armenia. May papunta sa Luna Park. So malapit kasi yun sa pupuntahan na. Happy birthday to you. Nakalimutan ko sabihin sa inyo, birthday niya pala ngayon. Yan, dito na lang kami kakain. Ano dito? Ang naisip ko dito ay got our coffee.
Yes. Just out.
Uy, sarap!
So, nandito kami ngayon sa Califor. Diba is maganda sa golden hour.
Semi-sweet ito.
Semi-sweet to. Oo. Tatiin na lang natin.
Rayford Houston. Kami ngayon sa Syrian Street. Ngayon lang kami nakapag-explore dito.
Saw your silhouette in the backlight. Swear we could have met in a past life. Treating every night like the last time. So I end all my days with you. Yeah, we should share a backseat in a taxi to get home. No need for either of us at this point to sleep alone. 'Cause I don't like days with you. Can waste my time if that's what you wanna do.
Hindi pa. UVN. May ito naman, may beef. Lord?
Sobrang liit ko lang.
Drinking beer. Tayo naglalaba.
Ayun si Tin. Gumagawa siya ng salami. Yup, salami and red wine. 20 GB. Sa industry. Kasi dito tayo, John.
Kailangan yung option eh, pero wala kami option.
Pagtitingin na pa tayo ng video ng members. Ito pala yung salami. Look at that. Look at. It's not the. Yeah. Pero other than that,
memorable trip for the both of us, no?
yeah.
Kasi sabi nila guys, partner We should travel together kasi dun masusubok yung patience nyo sa isa't isa.
Which is super good.
Nakilala ko si Jason.
I don't know. At yung aking isipin is compared sa usually na ba. So, yap tayo ng yap.
Wait, this is 2.
Don't sleep on me.